Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to switch accounts on Pinterest. I opened Pinterest the other day and realized I had two different accounts saved on the same device, so instead of logging out and logging back in every time, I checked the quick switch feature and I went straight to the top right corner where my profile icon is located. Then I click it and saw the list of available accounts linked to my device, and from there, I simply selected the other account I wanted to use and it instantly switch over without needing to re-enter my login details, which honestly makes multitasking between personal and save boards way more convenient. And I also noticed there's an option to switch into a business account if you want extra tools and analytics. And that can be done right from the same menu by following the on-screen prompts. So overall, it's pretty smooth setup as long as both accounts are already added to the device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.